What's up, y'all? It's your girl T. Today we're gonna make a sugar wax. So these are the ingredients you're gonna need. Of course, you're gonna need sugar, lemon juice, and water. These three ingredients, and of course you will put them on the stove. So let's just go ahead and get into the video. We are going to be using 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1/4 cup of water. We are going to add all of our ingredients into a pot, and we're going to have our heat on medium-high heat. So since my setting goes up to 10, I'll be go ahead and put it on about 7. You then want to mix and stir. You don't have to use lemon, that's just my choice. You can use lime as well to get the best results. So you can use either one of those. You're also going to want to get a bowl of cold water. Make sure that it is cold. If I had some ice, I would have put some ice in here, just because we want to know like what the consistency of the wax is, when basically you are pouring like a teaspoon or a little bit in the corner of the bowl. You're going to pour a little bit in here. And if it forms into like a ball and you can flatten it like a pancake very easily, then that means that's the right consistency you want it to be. You won't have to do anything else. You can just pour it, store, and go. So this is the consistency of mine as of right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and store it and put it in my container that I purchased. I purchased one of these containers, and I actually got this from Meijer. I want to say it was like $1.75 maybe, something like that. But we're gonna go ahead and store it now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Tell your friends about it during this quarantine. You know you got to get yourself together. All right, y'all.